So we meet with our account manager who looks after us here. We'll go through all of the objectives, what we want to get out of the show, who we want to be talking to, make sure we've got the stand correct, that we've got the most out of it, we're in the right location, and then we need to work on getting that online presence as well with the social media guys. So their events pushing it, as well as us getting a good campaign together to make sure we're getting our prospects and our customers here to have those conversations. So I think we've had really good conversations again, talking to the sales guys. Everyone's just approaching us. It's not like you're really having to fight for that sale. It's actually people coming to Sophos and saying, I want to buy from you, this is what I'm looking at. So it's not really a tough conversation. The people want to talk to us, so it makes it a lot easier. The events have got a lot bigger over a period of time, and what's really nice is that we've been growing with it. It's just got better and better every single time. The right people are coming. We sponsor the Cyber Threat Protection Theatre. We've done that for the past few years. We also got our speaker slots one a day there, and we've also been leveraging our on-stand presence as well, doing some on-stand presentations. Make sure you get a good location, so you're going to get that stand traffic. Make sure your stand's really visual. You want to be a big draw. Sophos, we like to do big stands. That's kind of our thing. We want to make sure people can see us. I also think it's important to make sure your stand's dynamic. So you have a bit of a thumb activity, like we've got the cyclone machine. You've got an area where you can demonstrate what your products do, and also an area where they can come to, which is the reception desk. So make sure your stand's got lots of different elements to it.